What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be fishing at my pond with my bait caster here, and I'm going to be seeing what I can catch. I started out using this big old worm that I found as bait, but then I switched over to a small live bluegill. I was about to leave, and I had a little bluegill on, and I dropped it right under the pier, and I caught old split lip. He's got a split lip. I just turned around and picked up my rod, and the line was moving. I was like, all right, here we go. Hook set him right in the corner of the mouth, so we're going to give him a nice release. Bye, buddy.